What are you talking about?
My foot is out of them.
Lee, you're a midge. Look at her little feet.
You're a midge.
Look at her little feet. They're so little.
Here, I'll do this.
Huh?
There.
Adam,
Me.
do you want to go play outside tomorrow or later today? Take me.
We have good outfits.
Oh, we do though. We have this.
And the slips.
Then I
And the
have
hat.
this going on.
And the mask. Over the hat.
Let me put this on.
There's Lee. She's so small. There's Kat. We love her. There's Adam. We don't know him.
I'm ready to go play outside.
We want to go make snowmen.
Watch me wear.
Oh, this is our bow tied up. Our awesome bow. Bow. There's Andrea in her big ass coat.
Taylor Bourne's coat.
This is Kat,
Probably.
Lee, Adam.
Sorry.
Are you doing a vlog? I don't know what to call it, vlog. Oh, I thought that was your ringtone. I was like, why did